Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sounds and vibration, and then ringtone. You can select one of those ringtones, or this one, my all-time banger of XIAOMI. You can also go to the all ringtones and you can choose one online ringtone here. Wow, a lot of online ringtones which you can select. Nice feature. You can select the ringtone from your phone's memory. Just download the MP3 file and just set it as a ringtone. It could be any song or whatever you like. Or you can just select one of the system ringtones. As you can see, you have some of them to choose. But I guess I'll just stay with this one, not this one, with this one, because this one really slaps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.